Hello guys, you use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A12. This version 3GB RAM memory and 32GB internal memory in the blue color. Start unpacking, look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging, key for SIM slot and USB Type-C cable. That's all complementation. Okay. On the back side we have quad camera, LED, plastic body. On the front side 6.5-inch display, front camera. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key with fingerprint scanner and Walms keys. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. PLS display, HD resolution, Android 10 with one UE Core 2.5, Android 10 version Knox 3.6. Okay, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek Helio P35, CPU speed, CPU test results, and GPU test result doesn't have. Okay. Octa-core processor, 4+4 cores, GPU, power VR. Okay. Open AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu score. AnTuTu score. And run the mother game GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Game load. This max graphic level. And game works very good. Without lags and glitches, very good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now talk about camera. We have quad camera, 38 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.